Welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to be adding holes to the PC board. Let's begin by showing the circuit board. Right-click and show. Now let's expand its branch. Right-click on the PC board and select Edit Part. Let's insert a sketch now. Right-click, New Sketch. Activate the Circle tool, and let's place 5 circles. Two more. Last one. And right-click and select to deactivate the Circle tool. Let's Shift-select all the circles and add an equal relation. And let's Smart Dimension them. 4.2 millimeters. Exit the sketch. Activate the Extruded Cut command. End condition through all. And click OK. Let's exit part editing mode. And this concludes our lesson on adding holes to the PC board.